and obviously we had a very cold winter in the Midwest. So our systems, for the first time, were challenged in a significant way, but very proud of how the resources were managed. So if you look at the question around natural gas, and specifically the gas availability, there was substantial gas available to be utilized both to heat homes and produce the energy, because ultimately we're worried about both keeping the furnaces on and equally keeping the lights on. So when you looked at the balance of supply, there was the gas there. But clearly we have to continue to look at the unique situation as we continue to move towards using more gas in the United States. Warren touched on an important point. This past year, as he highlighted 2015, but if you look at just what we produced on the renewable side in Iowa, that was 39% renewable, i.e. wind. And that'll only get larger. So as we continue to manage these multiple resources, there's clearly a way to meet the needs of our customers, and we're meeting it in an extremely cost-effective fashion. I'd also highlight that when you think through the cost recovery side of it, we've got very unique mechanisms within our utilities. When the underlying cost of gas goes up, or we have to purchase more than we had anticipated, we've got clear pass-throughs back to our customers. And we've negotiated those across each of our states. So we're well positioned to service our customers long-term and equally protect the fundamental financials of the underlying businesses.
The company that Greg runs has many subsidiaries, and our gas pipeline subsidiaries move about 8% of the gas in the United States. And I think you said you were from Omaha, and the gas that comes into this area comes through a pipeline that we own, and we just renamed the company to Berkshire Hathaway Energy from Mid-American Energy. We changed it to Berkshire Hathaway Energy, but it's a point of some pride to us that that company, Northern Natural Gas, which originally came from Omaha, when we bought that from Enron a decade or so ago, actually Dynegy had it in between, but its origin was Enron. You know, they'd skimped on maintenance, done all kinds of things, and it was ranked number 42 out of the 42 ranked pipelines in the United States at that time. And last year it was ranked number 1. So it went from last to first under Greg's management, and I tip my hat to him. And number 2 was our other pipeline, Kern Pipeline. So we're running 1-2 at the moment.